Good morning, children. Today we are going to study preparation of phenol. The first method is Dove's process. In this method, phenol is prepared. Phenol is prepared from chlorobenzene. That is chlorobenzene when treated with alkali sodium hydroxide. Hydrogen of alkali reacts with chlorine and is removed. This sodium oxide combines with benzene and forms sodium phenoxide. This is an intermediate product which is then acidified with HCl, which is already present in the mixture and forms phenol, and sodium chloride is removed. This Na reacts with Cl and it is then removed. This is the first method for preparation of phenol. Now the second method, from benzene sulfonic acid. This is the structure from benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid has to be prepared first from benzene. Originally we have to take benzene, which is then treated with oleum. Oleum, everyone knows what is oleum? Sulfuric acid H2SO4 and along with sulfurous acid H2SO3. This together forms the oleum. This oleum, when treated, it forms sulfonated benzene. This is the sulfonated benzene. That means SO3H, that is a sulfurous acid which is present here, gets attached here. This sulfonated benzene is then treated with base NaOH. When it reacts with the base, again you will form sodium phenoxide. This H combines with sulfurous acid and forms, and this sulfurous acid is again removed. H2SO3 is removed, and to this sodium phenoxide is formed. This sodium phenoxide again treated with acid, the product obtained will be phenol. Now the third method, from diazonium salt. This method is the best method, you can say, or is the method that you have to study in all the chapters of organic chemistry. Now in this, the first thing which will the initial product which you have to take is aromatic primary amine, that is the aniline. This is the first member of aromatic compound, that is amine compound. This is the aniline, benzene ring having NH2 group attached to it. This is treated with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is not present in the lab as such. Nitrous acid formula is HNO2. This is the nitrous acid. This is not present in the lab, but it has to be prepared in the C2. That means sodium nitrite along with HCl. These together, when you will mix together, you will form nitrous acid. This nitrous acid, when combines with aniline, you will get an intermediate compound known as diazonium salt, N2Cl. N2 from this nitrogen, here also nitrogen present. This nitrogen combines with this and forms N2, and the HCl, chlorine from this HCl combines and forms this compound. So diazonium salt is obtained. This diazonium salt on treatment with water, that is when it is treated with water, you will get phenol. OH of this water, this final product you will get will be phenol. OH from the water get attached to this benzene ring, forms phenol. N2 is removed and the H present here combines with chlorine and forms HCl. So this is the third method for preparation of phenol. Now the fourth method, from cumene. From cumene, this is also known as the hydrocarbon. Cumene is one form of hydrocarbon. That means it is present, only carbon and hydrogen is present here. The initial compound, the cumene, which we take, having the name isopropyl benzene. Cumene is also known as isopropyl. This is the isopropyl benzene. This propyl group 1, 2, 3 carbon to the second carbon of the propane, to the second carbon of the propane, benzene is attached, so you call it as isopropyl benzene. This is first oxidized, that means oxygen added to it. When it is oxidized, these two atoms of oxygen gets attached to this bond. It breaks this bond, carbon-oxygen bond, and gets attached here. You will get an intermediate product, that is carbon. In this, carbon to oxygen gets attached and hydrogen is there. This compound is known as cumene hydroperoxide. This is cumene hydroperoxide. Hydroperoxide it is formed of peroxide. This is then treated with dilute form of acid. Now you will get two important products when it is treated with acid. One is phenol and another is acetone. When you are getting phenol, that is the main product which you have to obtain, phenol, and another is acetone. How you are getting, you see that phenol, one of the oxide, this acetone, first you see the acetone, CH3CO, CH3. This whole thing gets broken up and is being removed. This part gets removed and OH gets attached to this benzene ring. In this way, two important products is obtained, phenol and acetone. Acetone that is obtained in this process is also obtained in a large amount. So children, these are the four methods for preparation of phenol, and that you have to study. Along with this, go through the physical properties of this compound, that is the physical properties of phenol you have to study, and then we will talk about the things later on. First you have to study